In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix card not working on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions that you can follow to fix a card that is not accepting a transaction that you make through the Xbox Store. So first, what I would recommend is instead of trying this process directly through your console, go to your computer or your phone and access the Xbox website. In here, you are going to be able to browse through games and expansions and attempt to make this purchase using the card directly through the website. I recommend that you do this here and you add the card to the payment options in your Microsoft or Xbox account. This is to ensure that the card is being properly validated and detected. So it can be a nice alternative to make sure that everything is being validated properly. Once you arrive at the Microsoft or Xbox website, just click on your icon and go over to your Microsoft account. In here, you will be able to select Payment and Billing on the navigation bar at the top of the screen and then Payment Options. This is where you can manage your payment options and add a new payment method. So choose this option, include the region in which you will be making this purchase, and then select the option to add a credit card or debit card. In here, like I said, you can include the details about the card, so the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, security code, your address lines, and save the card to your account. By having the payment method attributed to this page, you are going to ensure that it is being validated and ready to use. Now, when you try to make any purchases either on the website, like I said previously, or directly to your console, you will find the card attributed as a payment method right here. Now, if you are still having trouble using the card, what you can do instead is use the workaround that I'm going to show you. Keep in mind that prepaid cards, to my knowledge, will not be accepted on the Xbox or Microsoft Store. So if you are trying to use a prepaid card, for example, from American Express or a gift card of some sort, most of the times it is not going to be accepted. So the alternative that you have if your gift card or prepaid card is not being accepted is to purchase an Xbox digital gift card from any sort of online or physical retailer. So you can visit retailers like Amazon, Target, or Walmart and find a digital code. Once you find a digital code for Xbox, select the amount, add the item to your cart, and finish making this purchase. You will be able to pay using the card that is not being accepted on the Microsoft Store. So this is going to be an alternative if your specific card isn't accepted on the Xbox Store, either on the website or the console, and then you can purchase the digital code to be redeemed. This way you can add funds to your account using the card that is not accepted. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix card not working on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.